Hey, Matt here with 911R on Brain Trailer, and we have this beautiful Arena Red one owner special order car that we have up on Brain Trailer right now with 8,000 miles on it. This car was sold to a doctor who now lives here in Scottsdale, but it was originally from up in Michigan, and he ordered this car when he was at the Detroit Auto Show right off the stand. This car was really the poster child of Porsche in '96. This was the kills bugs fast colored car that was on those posters that a lot of us had in our rooms that were growing up. But this car is just in a static condition all the way around. The car, it has this beautiful red leather interior that I'd never ever seen one before. And it has the supple leather. It's all in really great shape. The dash has the silver gauges as well. We have posted the build sheet and the original Windows sticker stuff for this car. The car does have complete books. We also just did a full major service on the car. All the fluids, brake flush, engine oil, filters, spark plugs. We did a compression test and posted that. And also while we were in there, I did a bore scope, even though 993s never have an issue like that. But since we were there, we went ahead and posted that as well, so you can see how beautiful the inside of the engine looks as well as the outside of the car. The car is just really a neat example. I personally drive a 97 993 turbo, so I know these cars really well. They're just great on power, great on long drives, great, just perfect touring cars. Not much to see on a 993 turbo because they have this massive intercooler back here, but all the lights look really good. The paint is beautiful on the car. It just before we got it, he had it detailed, and the guy replaced the rocker stone guards in the back here, so they're all beautiful and nice and clean. Jams again, all really good. It has the stainless steel rocker guards on it as well. But windshield, dash, seats, everything about it. This car's had a really good life. The car has had some paint work on the front. It had a small damage that happened in the garage, I guess, up near the cowl. It was very minor, and when they did that, they blended it and clear coated the front end on the car. So the paint on the front is great. It's optimal time to probably have the car PPF'd. If it was my car, that's what I would do right now. If somebody's interested in that, we can do that at a discounted rate for somebody as well. But looking around, you can see there's no road rash, everything clean. These headlights always seem to get pitted up. These ones are very nice on both sides. Again, like I said, the glass is really good. It has the correct hollow spoke wheels on it. Tires were replaced a year and a half ago, I believe. So they're quite new and really don't have any miles on them. Any questions, please let me know. Use the contact seller button, or you reach us out on our website. If you need a shipping quote or just anything you want to know about the car, I'm happy to dive deep on any details. Thank you very much.